Everyone, today's topic is gas law. We know that there are various gas law. Out of three, the most important is Boyle's law, Charles law, and ideal gas equation, which we have studied in our previous classes. The gases exhibit a great uniformity of behavior and obey certain law known as gas law. So, moving to the first law, that is Boyle's law. What is Boyle's law? It is a pressure volume relationship. The first point which is to be noted is that it is the pressure volume relationship. So, what is the Boyle's law? The volume of a given mass of a gas is inversely proportional to pressure provided that temperature remain constant. You can see in this way. The Boyle's law state that keeping the temperature constant, or you can write in the short form, if temperature is equal to constant, then Boyle's law states that the volume of a given mass of a gas is inversely proportional to pressure. Means if you are increasing the pressure, volume will decrease, and if you are decreasing the pressure, volume will increase. This is the relation for the Boyle's law. Also, Boyle's law can be stated mathematically as PV is equal to constant. It is the product of pressure volume. It is the product of pressure volume. As you can see here, the product of pressure and volume of a given mass of a gas is constant at a constant temperature. What is Boyle's equation? P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. This is known as the Boyle's equation. Similarly, you can see that graphical representation is also given. When you are plotting a graph between pressure and volume, you can see that when the temperature is constant, the if the volume is increasing, pressure is decreasing. That is, P is inversely proportional to volume. This is the pressure volume graph. Only one graph you have to study in your board exam, that is PV curve. The other graph you can see a plot of P against PV. If pressure and pressure volume, you can see that a straight line is obtained. So this is about the Boyle's law and its practical significance. So what is the practical significance? The examples only you need to understand. It is used in case of mountain climber. As you can see that whenever you are increasing up the altitude or moving up the height, you will find that pressure is increasing. The pressure, atmospheric pressure, goes on increasing, and therefore it becomes difficult to breathe. There also Boyle's law is working. So they have to carry oxygen cylinders. You can see here mountain climbers are given special training to adapt their bodies to low O2 pressure. It is all because of Boyle's law. Now let us try to understand one example here, 5.3, where a particular temperature, certain quantity of a gas, volume of the gas is given. Let it be 74 centimeter cube. Pressure P1 is given. You can see here pressure is given, and again the pressure is decreased to 740 mm, means P2 is also given. You have to calculate the volume, means which equation? P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. Out of this, a gas is occupying V1 volume, P1 P2 is given, V2 we have to calculate. So you can calculate it here very easily with the help of Boyle's equation. You can see here P1 is equal to 760, volume is given, Applying the Boyle's formula, answer is 76 centimeter cube. Similarly, the volume of a certain amount of a gas at 25 degrees centigrade, you can see that pressure 1 is given, P1, V1 and V2. P2 is asked, you can apply the very easily the Boyle's equation, P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. So we can easily calculate the pressure and volume with the help of Boyle equation. In the next video, we will be learning about other gas law. Thank you.